going to need a Q-tip, disposable mascara brush, liquid eyeliner for lashes to apply, a disposable mascara brush, tweezers, scissors, eyelash curler, mascara, lashes of course, and then your glue. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're back, hi beauty baes. So I have a special guest, a real live person to teach as well, my mother. Hello. She likes to put on eyeliner before her lashes, so I'll figure why not go ahead and make this a tutorial. I like to start with the Q-tip of cleaning my eyes out. This is especially good if you have like allergies, or you wake up and you have a lot of cold in your eye. Rather than getting your fingers in there, your fingers may be dirty from hair products or anything. Keeping my eyes as sanitized as possible. Disposable mascara brush to clean out cold in your eyes, eye boogers, all that good stuff. It does get stuck in your lashes, so I have to do that a lot because I get that a lot actually. So I got her this kind of brush. You see how it's angled. And then we got her L type of eyeliner. I like to start in the inner corners and stop at the ends of my eyes. Try to do it as close as possible to your eye line. I have the mirror straight at my face to have a clearer vision. That looks good actually. Yep. The wing line, you're going to go ahead and start. The corner of your bottom lash line is where you should start at. And however long you make it, that's up to you. All right, so you're kind of making a triangle. So you got the end of the triangle. So now you're going to meet from the top of your lash line to bring that in to make that triangle complete. Yeah. So now all you gotta do is fill it in because it's a hole in there and you're good.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
So if you do mess up, concealer is your best friend to make that triangle.
From here?
So start at the end and bring it into your eye. Yeah, yeah. There you go. You're good. You just made it thicker now. Now you need to make that a triangle.
The hard part about it.
Yeah. Well, it's just, this needs to be, if you're gonna make it that thick, that needs to connect.
Is that gonna be too much?
It's up to you. I mean, Nicki Minaj does it. A lot of people do it.
So I'm just going to the middle.
Because it didn't seem like you was looking when you did the top to make it thicker.
It's a mess.
No. Like we said, concealer is your best friend. Outline the brows. Kind of the same thing.
See how this going across?
As you can see from the side profile, she has the liner done. However, we did a little trial and error. We have a lot more easier for you guys, especially if you're a beginner. And we're gonna use tape. You don't even have to worry about what's shaped. Line it up from the bottom of your lashes. Look up so I don't tape down. Yeah, kind of line it up with my brow. All right, so you should be good to be able to go ahead and do that. This one is actually going towards down, so I actually want that one to match. So let me just bring this down, actually.
So it can be matched as possible.
Tail is what's the hard part. Bottom of your lid, bringing that up, and then the top.
Of your lid, bring that down towards each other.
It mostly got the line. So tape is a great alternative for you beginners for sure, because look how much time we just saved. She already got it basically formed out. You can go ahead and finish the inside, so then we can start matching the wing liner to each other. All right, so you can see her eyeliner side profile. Look down and around as she did her liquid eyeliner by herself. Back with the second half for the lashes. That's my favorite part. The lashes we're going to be using today is from my site, I Spy Beauty Co. She will be wearing the all natural lashes because she just likes to keep it simple and for work and everything. I showed you the supplies, so we're gonna just hop straight right into it. Get your tweezers to remove your lashes. Start at the roots when you're removing it. These are reusable for up to 30 times if you take care of them. Go ahead and prep our eyes with the lash curler. Try to squeeze your lashes for hold it for like 10 to 15 seconds. This just helps, especially if you have not normal lashes, like say if your lashes point downward, or say if your lashes are too curly type thing. Using that eyelash curler, it kind of brings out the shape to match the false strip lashes. So when you're like stretching it out or like pinning it down with that, it does that. Say if your lashes are pointing downward, when you use that, it kind of cups it up. So next we're gonna go in with our mascara. You can just coat it a little bit. This helps you to see better because sometimes people's lashes are too fluffy for the glue and the lashes to stick to something. Not just your bare natural lashes, to have something protecting over your natural lashes. Measure the lashes to her eye shape because everybody's eye shape is different. You can even just place them to your eye. Wherever it's too long, grab it where you're gonna cut it at with the tweezers.
Can you really tell? Because it's kind of like over.
It's best to do it, have your mirror up. You should never over exceed the length of your eyes.
I guess right here.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Yep. So it looks like that's where you need to cut it. Keep it there so when you cut it, you know exactly where to cut it at. See where its holes at? It looks like it that way. Yeah, so you don't cut the lashes. Just start from the inner corners of where you know you want your lashes to be at, and then take it all the way to the end. And then grab it from the ends with your tweezers of where you know you're gonna cut it. So it looks like it's right in there.
So you have them facing the right way.
Yeah, that makes a big difference. You have to know which way the lashes are. But it's usually the shorter ones goes on the inside and then longer. If they're all the same length or like crazy, then you're good. But all right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put these bad suckers on. What we're using is hair glue because it bleeds heavily. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip the top inside, get some product on there, so that way it's not too much. Yeah, it dries pretty fast. That's what I like about it. Try to get as much as possible in the inner corners because that's where a lot of people complain about lifting up, but hair glue does the trick. Have the mirror above you so you can see. When I apply it from the ends, line it up with the end, this end, and then bring it over and across. Some people like to do it in the middle, but I can't do that because when I try to put in the middle, it don't even be in the middle. So at least you can line it up at the end of your eye and then match whatever else comes along with it. Mush it together with your hands. We got the first lash on, so we're gonna try to use the tips that we just used for this eye. Try to do a little bit better on this side. To the side as well, because you can see what's sticking out of your eyes. Yep. Okay, so now she is done with her lashes. Let's do a close-up right quick and see. She got her lashes. How do you feel? How does it feel?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, you look good. All right. Thank you guys. We got the lashes done. So now we're gonna hop straight into the face for the full face look. If you wanna check that out, go ahead and click the link below. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.
Bye.